How's it going? Happy Tuesday, everybody. Dr. Jim Lopez at Universal Wellness Source of Roscoe Village. And over the past few months, we've been really hitting the community hard, educating them on chronic disease and how chiropractic care and wellness care can be of benefit to these chronic conditions that we're seeing a lot come into our office. So over the past year, I've dedicated over 100 hours into functional neurology and functional medicine to consistently stay on top of the research and exactly how we can be of benefit for you, for people that are suffering from chronic fatigue, chronic pain, depression, anxiety, digestive disorders, just to name a few. So what we're gonna do on April 18th and April 25th is we're gonna limit and have two very special workshops here in our office. So at our community dinners, we've been able to open up the floor and have as many as 50 to 60 people come in where we've talked in general wellness and exactly what it is that we're able to do. These workshops are gonna be more focused on chronic disease. So again, if you're suffering from chronic pain, problems falling asleep, staying asleep, or insomnia issues, we've had bouts of anxiety, depression, digestive concerns, anything from a chronic disease condition, we're gonna be addressing again on April 18th and April 25th. And we're gonna do that at 7 p.m. here in our office, so you can click down below. And this is gonna be a few of the things that we're gonna be covering. When we're dealing with the health of the human body, really what we're dealing with is the brain. And how is that brain communicating with every cell, tissue, and organ in your body? And what happens is we can develop stress through 3 different levels, either through our emotions and our thoughts, through physical stress and traumas or poor posture that we experience on a daily basis, or chemical environmental stresses, the things that we put in our body, put on our body, or breathe into our body. And all of those things, what they do is cause a decrease in movement in our neurology. Literally what it does is it starts to cause a damage to the spinal cord that does not allow the brain to communicate with every cell, tissue, and organ in our body. So as we increase our stress responses in the body, we're more prone to things like anxiety, depression, ADD, ADHD, obesity, problems falling asleep, staying asleep. Our immune system starts to lower. We can have joint pain and proprioception problems where we start to lose our coordination and our balance. So these are a few things that we're gonna be covering in that workshop. Again, on April 18th and April 25th, we're gonna be going over what does it look like to eat well, to start to move and think the way that you should, and then nutritionally and the things that we put into our body, what all of those things can do to help us, regain our health, get our life back. Because most people aren't coming in because of the aches and pains and the problems that they have. But it's that these problems are now taken away from their life. And they're not able to enjoy the things that they once were able to do or the things that they even want to do. So again, we're gonna be covering that, so click below and the precursor to this with everybody that we've had from our dinners is there's been a lot of people coming in that have just been able to want to see what it is exactly we do. Here we're limited to 10 seats only. So my request is if you've got a legitimate problem, you truly are seeking help, and you're ready to get started and do something about it, then click below. If not, please wait for one of our community dinners when we have more time and it's set up to educate from a general knowledge point of view. But for the next 2 weeks, on the 18th and the 25th, we're gonna focus strictly on chronic disease with people that want our help, need our help, and are looking to make a transition. And then we'll get you in here, we'll go over that in detail, and then we'll be ready to rock and roll. So again, Dr. Jim Lopez, Universal Wellness Source, please click below. We'll call you immediately right away, get you RSVP'd for the workshop, and then look forward to seeing how we may serve you there.